How's it going, YouTube? Today is Wednesday night. I'm tired. My body was begging me to stay home. There was a moment in time where the bed was just calling my name and I almost listened. I turned to Rosie and I asked her, babe, should we just like stay home today? We could just, take a rest day. She looked at me and said, no. And just like that, no mercy, no hesitation. I'm telling you, this woman has a heart of a drill sergeant wearing pink all the time. They say that champions comes in pairs of twos, and they're right, because discipline is great until you're tired. And motivation is great until it's Wednesday night and your bed looks like heaven. That's when you need someone in your corner who refuses to let you quit. You see a lot of people, you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your excuses, of your procrastination. And tonight, Rosie, she kicked my excuse right out the fucking door. So here we are today, Coast Fitness, back and bicep day. So the pre-workout choice for today is some C4 because I needed to wake my body up because my soul's awake, but my body still thinks that it's time to sleep. Like the pre-workout still, in the middle of negotiating with my system, like, hey, sir, we got some lat pull downs to do. But this is what it's all about. Nobody ever built the dream physique that they want on the days that they felt great. You build it on the days that you didn't want to show up, and you showed up anyway. So let me finish stretching it out. Let's get locked in and let's go to war. Let's get it. All right, the first set that we're doing is assisted lat pull-ups. Now, I want to put some heavy emphasis on the assisted part because right now, these lat pull-ups unassisted, well, it's going to be tough and it's going to be like torture. And I'm not a magician. I can't do magic tricks. So, but hey, no shame in starting off doing these lat pull-ups, with some assistance of weight. Everybody's got to start somewhere. So let's do it. By the way, these hand grips that I'm using, they're Versa grips. They're really good. I really like them. Let's go. It's crazy how these assisted machines, they know all your secrets because it knows when you need help. But hey, assisted today, tomorrow, unassisted. Let's get it. All right, so next we're gonna be doing some dumbbell rows. This is just me, a bench, and one dumbbell having a serious relationship right now. Now, I'm gonna be leaning, onto the bench so that way I don't tip over like a folding chair. And guys, this is where the back gets built thick, one pull at a time. Let's get it. Now guys, understand that your back is that one muscle that you can't really see that well in the mirror. So it's the easiest one to half rep and lie to yourself about, but understand that your back is what makes everything else seem bigger from every angle. So I'm gonna squeeze out every single rep like it owes me money. Got one more set. Let's get it. All right, the next back exercise that we're doing are these hammer strength high rows. Now, one of the reasons why I pick this one next is because, well, it has a seat. And at this point in my workout, just having a seat feels like a reward. But all jokes aside, let's get this rows going. One rep at a time, guys. That's what it takes. Just one rep at a time. We'll get there. Okay, now we're gonna be hopping to a superset. We're gonna grab the barbells and do some low to high rows followed by dumbbell curls. The idea is simple. We wanna hit the upper back followed by frying the biceps while they're still screaming. So this is a superset, back to back, 0 breaks in between, nothing but regret afterwards. Not really, muscles might regret it, but my ego won't. So let's get it. Right away, man, no breaks. Straight into dumbbell curls. Let's do it. The importance that I've learned doing bicep curls is that you don't want to just grab the dumbbells and just curl them straight up. Through my research, I found out that it's very beneficial to twist your arms. Just think about it as twisting your pinky, outwards. So you grab the dumbbells and you twist your pinky outwards. And I've read and seen that it's more beneficial to doing dumbbell curls that way as opposed to just lifting it straight up. But I don't know, do the research yourself. Don't listen to me. So yeah, let's continue on with the superset. And that's a superset, guys. My back is toast. My biceps are about to follow. Complain. Understand that supersets, they save you time, and they also make you, at times question your life choices. But, that's where growth hides, where it gets past the point of being comfortable. Right now, I'm tired. My ego is bruised, but we're one step closer to getting the body that we want. All right, guys, this is the last set of the night. We're gonna be doing some barbell curls. Now my arms are shaking. My pre-workout, I already filed for unemployment like 20 minutes ago. And my form is about to get, let's just call it creative, right? But the last set, you don't quit on the last set. The last set is where champions are made. This is where your ego gets checked. So last set, let's get it. And there it is, guys. That's the end of our workout. Back bicep. It's crazy to think that just 2 hours ago I was at home. My bed was like, calling me to lay down on those fluffy pillows. But, thankfully Rosie dragged me out here. Now, look, I can barely even lift my arm. But, that's the whole lesson tonight, man. That sometimes the workout that you almost skip, it's one of the most important ones. So, if you are debating whether to go out and on those nights that you feel lazy, just know that getting out of that comfort zone, it builds discipline, and that's where you grow. You know what I mean? Because the body that you aspire to have, is built on the nights that you didn't feel like showing up, but you didn't feel like coming to the gym. But this is your battlefield, It's like, stay disciplined. Keep coming out here, get yourself a partner that pushes you, that motivates you, but that keeps you disciplined, most important of all, because remember, motivation, it's just a feeling, it's gonna wear, but discipline is developed when you build habits, right? So yeah, I didn't feel like coming out today, but here we are, thankfully. So, but anyhow, if you enjoyed this video, then you know what to do. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you haven't already. Oh, that hurt. Subscribe if you haven't already. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next workout. Peace.